So lately I've been really scaling up the Amazon influencer program and getting a ton of free products there, and also making those videos but repurposing them for other platforms. TikTok affiliates, Facebook pages even has been pretty big, especially with creator connections now on Amazon influencer program, TikTok shop, YouTube, and a number of other places. YouTube with Genius links, I've talked about that in a previous video, but I can make an update if you guys need it, right? The issue with getting, I've been using Viral View a ton to get a ton of commissions, a ton of free products through their messaging program, and really using it to get a ton of access to products that I can review. But the issue I'm running into is I just don't have the time, right? I'm getting all these free products, and it's great because obviously you can touch them, you have access to them. Some are good, some are bad, some are, in between, right? But I don't have the time to record all the videos, put voiceovers on top of them, or get on camera and showcase them all. So I've been trying to, again, build a system to scale this really well. And I've been doing that really well with 11 Labs and putting my own voiceover on it with an AI version of it so that my VA can then edit the videos, sync them up, and we can kind of make this kind of like a content engine. So I don't have to do 99% of the work. I can literally just record the B-roll once I get the product video or get the product, and then my VA can kind of take over from there, right? I've trained them to do that. So I want to run you through exactly how I'm able to put AI voiceovers on my content and turn these videos into an actual finished product, so I don't have to take weeks to, record 100 different product videos. Instead, I can just record the B-roll of it really quickly because these products are flooding in with free samples, especially if you use Viral View. And that way I'm able to get a ton of videos out that are high quality still and get commissions, right? Because in the past, I used to recommend using Voc Cloner, and I did this for a while. I scaled it up with a clone of my AI voice, but it never really did the job. It always kind of sounded off. It didn't enunciate certain words, right? It didn't enunciate the phraseology or phrasing or whatever you want to say of, the specific sequences of me saying things. Didn't really hit the pause as well, even with the second version that they just released recently. And it just never really did the job, right? So instead, I've been testing 11 Labs, and I've been really happy with the result lately. And this actually pumps out videos that sound a lot like me. And you can train it if you upload, a certain period of your voice. I think it limits you to 2 hours, if I remember correctly. So I uploaded literally 2 hours of videos of my own voice. You don't have to go that in depth, but obviously the more content you give it, the better inputs, the better output voice. And so you can literally just read stuff for 30 minutes, or give it a video of you talking about something, or upload previous content that you already have. Train your voice here, and then you want to use 11 multilingual version 2. It will tell you that if you don't have it on there automatically. It makes it really easy. And then from there, I will show you exactly how I'm using this to make my own product videos. Now, one of the ways that, like I said, I'm able to get all these is Viral View. I have a ton of different content coming out on Viral View. I actually have a ton of different updates for my Amazon Influencer Program course. I plan on launching all that stuff recently, so keep an eye out for that. If you're not on the email list, grab the Stay Updated newsletter. It's always linked in the description below. If you want the Amazon Influencer Program course, obviously discount link in the description below. It's only on Udemy right now. I think it's 10 or 15 bucks for that course. It's a game changer. It will help you walk you through all this. And if you want access to Viral View, that's also linked in the description with a trial link as well. Absolutely love that software. I think I'm on the $99 plan or $97 plan a month right now. Well worth it. It's made its money literally in the first 2 weeks, and then scaled from there. And I plan on sticking with that. I might even upgrade to 100 messages in the near future because I'm getting a ton of products. I just don't have the capacity to record that many product videos right now. Okay. But I'm working on the system to do it right here. So this is exactly how I'm doing it. As you can see, I have tons of B-roll of these product videos that I'm getting, right? So I'm going to use an example of this. This is a product that I just got for free. And this is another example of a product that I just got for free. This is another example of a product I just got for free that I recorded demos of very easily with B-roll. And let me show you exactly how I would go about getting the actual, both the script and the actual voiceover that sounds like me, right? Because there's no substitute with a lot of AI voices, and I've tried a ton. If you're putting B-roll and doing faceless content, there's no substitute for the actual human voiceover, right? In most cases, until I found this, because it didn't sound right. You don't connect with the audience as well, but this does a very good job. So let me show you a demo of how it works, right? So here I am in ChatGPT. Let's go down to make these scripts, find this here. And I just have my VA literally plug and play all this stuff, right? So we're gonna go here. You're an expert Amazon influencer. You make videos for Amazon products that cover the benefits of the specific products and how they helped you save money, get healthier, save time, improve your life, etc. And then you upload those videos to Amazon Influencer Program, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Make a 1-minute video script script that I can read off my teleprompter for this product. Don't make it too salesy though. Just make it genuine and helpful focused, and don't mention the specific brand. And I say don't mention the specific brand in here for a lot of different reasons, but mainly as the AI voiceover is recording it, sometimes the brand, if it's like a weird, like this perfect example, Arcora, it might not say that right. It might come off AI sounding, and so you're trying to minimize that, right? I'm going to paste that in there. That's the prompt. And then every single time we do this, we copy the title without the brand. We copy description without any of like the money back guarantee stuff that comes at the end sometimes. And you can also use the URL and just paste that in, but sometimes it doesn't give you the right product. So I always, as just like a rule of thumb, tell my VA to do it this way, just so there's no ambiguity, because they might not necessarily catch something like that if they're going through it quickly, right? So instead we just copy the title, copy the description, then we're sure. All right. Now, next thing, we're going to run it through, see what it comes up with, and it's going to generate like a minute and a half, sometimes 2-minute script for us that we can then put into 11 Labs, and I'll show you how that sounds. Now, the key here is you don't just want to put this into 11 Labs right away. You do want to kind of make sure to make some changes, because sometimes even with a good prompt, the phraseology of the way that any AI, ChatGPT, Copilot, doesn't really matter, right, is going to, phrase certain things, doesn't necessarily come off human. A lot of it does, but sometimes there's a key in there that might not read well if AI is saying it, or might not sound right, like as an Amazon influencer review or a TikTok affiliate review or a review on Facebook or YouTube or wherever else, right? So let me read through it and I'll show you exactly how I'd approach this. Obviously, if you have a VA, you can train them to kind of look over this and make these adjustments if you want to, or you just do it this way. It still is going to sound somewhat good. I'll show you what I mean, right? So if you're looking for a simple way to give your bathroom an updated look, replacing the faucet can make a surprisingly big difference without having to remodel the entire space. That all sounds good to me. And again, if you're training a VA to do this, they're going to get better as they do it, right? So the first 10, 20 that they might do, they might miss 1 or 2 here, but slowly you're kind of training them a lot like AI in a way, and they're going to get better. That's what I always say. Give them a little bit of room to make some errors and improve, and they will. One thing I like about this style is the taller design. It's a great fit for a vessel sink, and it gives the vanity a clean, modern look that makes it instantly... This kind of could be skipped. I've been having a lot more success with shorter product videos because I find that people watch more through them. This is just anecdotal experience on Amazon influencers specifically. Each platform is slightly different. Also, I don't have to record as long of a B-roll, because if I'm recording like B-roll of a video in action, depending on the product, it might be tough to get 2-3 minutes of product footage and then sync that together well for the product video. Whereas 45 seconds a minute is very, very easy regardless of the product in action, showcasing what it does, how it solves a problem in everyday life, etc. I also appreciate the single handle design. See, this is like something that you wouldn't really say, right? This is AI 101. I also appreciate, I'm going to skip that, don't like that. And sometimes you might want to reword it slightly, right? The brushed finish is another nice touch because it has a sleek appearance while helping hide fingerprints and water spots behind something shinier than finish. I don't really love that either. Another thing that I look for is durability. And the sauce, see, I wouldn't say it like this. I would adjust this. I would say, I also love, sounds simple, right? But in a product video, you want to be relatable to a lot of people, especially for Amazon influencer. Now, TikTok affiliates, if you're creating a video like that, is slightly different. But this specifically, this workflow for me that I'm sharing with you here is mainly for Amazon influencer, where it's a little bit more down to earth, not as salesy. People want to feel like you actually have the product, like you're actually giving your honest take about it and your experience. So you don't need to worry about hooks and all that other stuff. And I'm repurposing these for TikTok affiliates. And if they get sales, great, but it's not the main goal. It would be a different approach if I was creating a TikTok affiliate video first and then repurposing it later, right? You get the picture? Amazon influencer, casual, about your experience, a very different approach than something like TikTok affiliates, okay? Similar, but different, okay? So I would say I also like the solid stainless steel construction and ceramic valve. I also like how the solid stainless steel construction and ceramic valve are designed for long-term use. They feel like something you won't have to think about replacing anytime soon. Overall, I think this is one, so I'm going to take out overall. I think this is one of those upgrades. I'm just going to say this is one of those upgrades. Again, simple. This is one of those upgrades that, and generally, I know I'm going off on a lot of tangents. I'm trying to give you my anecdotal, like overall experience here to give you a ton of different like tidbits of information. If you don't like that, comment below. Let me know to shut up and stop going off tangents, and I'll try to improve that for the next video. But I've found that like usually you don't have to reword it as much as this. This is just a random example, and I'm really nitpicking, all right? This is one of those upgrades that can completely refresh the look of a bathroom without spending a fortune. It's functional, easy to use, and gives your vanity modern, finished appearance. It's noticeable every time you walk in the room. So this is still a little bit long, but I'm going to delete this part. One thing I like about this styles the taller design. I'm just going to generate it from here. Now, every once in a while when you generate it here, if you continue to generate multiple speeches in a row, you'll notice it slightly gets off on 11 Labs. And so my fix for that is generally just copying what you have, obviously, refreshing the page, and generating speech again. Now, I absolutely love 11 Labs. It has been a game changer for this AI approach. And as you can see, it saved it automatically. We'll generate the speech, see what it sounds like for you. And I'll play the exact sound clip here so you can tell if it sounds like my voice or not, right? Let me show you, and it'll literally just start playing. If you're looking for a simple way to give your bathroom an updated look, replacing the faucet can make a surprisingly big difference without having to remodel the entire space. The brushed finish is another nice touch because it has a sleek appearance while helping hide fingerprints and water spots better than some shinier finishes. I also like how the solids... And see, like that second paragraph didn't 1000% sound like... It sounded like my voice, like 100% in my opinion, like maybe like 99%, 98%. The issue sometimes is in the way that it enunciates some words or had the pausing in between certain words, right? And so, but that was like pretty close. Anybody that doesn't know me in like personal life or doesn't watch videos probably wouldn't catch on to that in most cases. And this sounds 300%, 400%, 500% better than pretty much every other one that I've used in my experience, all right? And this is, again, the one that I just ran through, trained it up on 2 hours of my voice, and I'm using 11 multilingual version 2. There's nothing special here. I'm just using the presets. So let's continue to listen to what it sounds like. And also, yes, I'm editing it. This is obviously an extreme example. Usually I don't take this long to edit it. And I'm also watching it through to make sure it's not mishitting on certain words. If it is, I'll take them out and I'll rephrase them, or I'll add something different slightly, and then I'll regenerate it and play it again and make sure that it sounds good. And it seems like this is you're like, why is this? You're doing all this work just for an AI voiceover. You could have been done by now recording the actual voiceover. You are correct, right? But I can't systematize that. I can't outsource that. And it's going to take my time to do that every single time. And I can only scale so much. Whereas I can train a VA to do this for me, outsource it. It's so much easier. And it doesn't usually take this long. Literally, it probably takes me about a minute or two to do this with every single product. My VA might be 2-3 minutes a product. It's not that big of a deal, but it goes a lot faster than this. Obviously, I'm dumbing this down and slowing it down to show you. All right, so let's keep playing it. Stainless steel construction and ceramic valve are designed for long-term use. They feel like something you won't have to think about replacing anytime soon. This is one of those upgrades that can completely refresh the look of a bathroom without spending a fortune. It's functional, easy to use, and gives your vanity a modern, finished appearance that's noticeable every time you walk into the room. I thought it was pretty good. Anybody that's not seeing a face, right, that's just watching the video and showcasing that specific product in action, with like the sink on, me running through, maybe washing hands, the different like angles of the sink, all those different things, is not going to pay attention to think that that's an AI voice. That was phenomenal. And then from here, all you do is download it, right? I absolutely love this. As you can see, I've used it like 7 hours ago. My VA's been doing a bunch of this. Love this. I've been using it a ton. Cannot recommend this enough. So really hope that this helps. This is how I'm able to duplicate a version of my voice with AI. Again, I'm using 11 Labs, just copied my voice using multilingual version 2. I'm using Viral View to get a ton of products for free. Again, that's linked in the description if you want to try it. As well as the Amazon Influencer Program coming soon with all the updates. They'll probably be out within the week. And any questions on any of this stuff, guys, let me know. I'm going to be putting out a ton of content on like product videos like this, not just for Amazon Influencer, although that's a big focus of mine recently, because I can combine that with retail dropshipping, get a ton of free products like I am. Also, repurpose those for Facebook, YouTube, with Genius links, Instagram even, which is obviously potentially going to be a big thing coming, in the near future as they start to launch that as well. TikTok affiliates. I think I probably forgot one other one, but you get the picture, all right? So really hope this helps. I'm going to be trying to put out a ton of content that's helpful on stuff like this, and I'll see you in the next one.